Assalamu alaikum, my name is Abrar Ahmed and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today you are going to learn with me how to write a paragraph of 300 to 400 words for your CSS or PMS essay. Many students, when they go to the essay writing, they think that they should write each paragraph separately with different ideas. That is not correct. Remember, in a good essay, each paragraph with a different context connects to the main idea of the topic. So in this video, I will show you practically how each paragraph is connected to the main theme of the essay. Before going to the practical to write a paragraph, remember any paragraph consists of 4 parts. First part is the topic sentence, and the second is supporting details, and the third part is example, and the fourth is concluding sentence. So any paragraph actually consists of these 4 parts. So now keeping these parts in your head, so you can write any paragraph of your essay that connects to the main idea of the topic. So let's go to the practical. Now let's learn how a paragraph can be constructed from the thesis statement. So here is a topic and here is a thesis statement. So if you have watched my previous video, you know very well that how to construct a thesis statement and what is the role of thesis statement in your essay. So if you haven't watched my previous video, so I will suggest you go back and watch my previous video to keep the sequence, because sequence is very important for the learning and jumping is bad. So here you can see the very first sentence of this thesis statement is about the positivity of social media. So the very first paragraph of your essay after introduction would be about the positivity of social media. So here you can see the body paragraph 1, good things about social media. This body paragraph is constructed with 375 words. So to understand it better, you have to keep in your mind the 4 parts of any paragraph. Here are the 4 parts of any paragraph. First is topic sentence, the second part is supporting details, and the third part is examples, and the fourth is concluding sentences. So now let's break this body paragraph 1 into these 4 parts to understand it better. The very first sentence of this paragraph is a topic sentence. The topic sentence is social media helps people stay connected with friends and family around the world. So topic sentence means the main idea of this paragraph would be about how social media helps people connect with family, friends, or other things around the world. So after the topic sentence, you need some supporting details to add. You need to write some sentences in support of your topic sentence to clarify your topic sentence, that why you have said this. And the supporting details part starts from here. In today's fast-paced digital era, staying in touch with loved ones has become easier than ever through platforms like Facebook, WhatsApp, and Instagram. These platforms allow users to instantly share updates, post pictures, and send important messages, making communication quick and effective. So from here to here, you can notice each sentence is supporting the main idea of the paragraph. What is the main idea? Social media helps people stay connected with friends and family around the world. So each sentence is supporting the topic sentence, which is the main idea of the paragraph. And the part third, the example part, actually starts from here. So from here to here, you can see the example part. So 3 parts we have covered. One is the topic sentence, and the second is supporting details, and the third one is example. So as the example ended, you can see the connector here. In addition, so the connector in addition actually connects these lines
to the previous lines, like to this part. So in addition, actually connects the upcoming lines, the next lines, to the previous part. So from here you can see the connector in addition is used, that shows the connection of these next lines from here to here with the previous part. So this part just after the example is also added with the supporting details. And the last part, that is concluding sentences, starts from here. In this way, social media has become not just a platform for fun and entertainment, but also a hub for learning, career development, and awareness. However, this benefit can only be achieved when used properly. So from here till the end, these are the concluding sentences. So this is the way to write any paragraph for your CSS essay. So I hope you have understood the structure of each paragraph. If you are still confused about anything, feel free to contact me. In the next video, I will tell you how to write a conclusion.